We're not down on Woodlawn this morning.
Yeah,
We just set this on the table. This is really, really
definitely
good
cool.
Oofta.
They are really
Oh, those geese. Hopefully they don't get a rude surprise above. Hopefully the blast doesn't.
When I first got it, I added the mixture. It was like smeary.
Oh, thank you for the number for the salon. Yeah,
And anybody's there, they're all good. All four people.
good, good.
Whew, the geese made it past.
Toenails, nails, wonderful people.
Ingrown. They're really good at it.
Ingrowing, they
guy
do
is.
books. They
Clear, spotty haired.
I don't have pretty feet by
Thought I
any
heard
means,
a
but I think
siren,
I'll
but
probably go in for the
was
whole
there
9
one?
yards.
Right.
I heard the water.
Here it goes.
Wow.
Forgot to have my Zoom on.
Like they said, it was going to fall south. Can we see the replay?
How would you like to? I mean, imagine owning South Carolina
But I don't
Look at this.
It's all dust.
It was the smoke was going to the south,
Yeah, southeast.
southeast.
Which is kind of perfect unless you're down there by the park. Well, I hope I got most of it.
Good job, Jay.
I got it when it started. I didn't get it.
Did you say it right?
Yeah.
And that's what you got up for.
all over.
for 10 seconds.
Back to bed.